PBE's rugged proximity alert system can prevent accidents and injury to personnel within the mining, tunneling, and construction industries. When pass-equipped vehicles enter predefined zones or personnel breach the vehicle's warning areas, customized alerts or select vehicle actions can be initiated by our tag-based solution. To ensure redundancy and accuracy, the PASS solution incorporates overlapping detection technologies, using a combination of RFID, GPS, radar, and electromagnetics to provide reliable information on direction and distance of potential hazards. PBE PASS can seamlessly work with your existing surface and underground network, ensuring no disruption in service or safety. PBE PASS solution has an extensive reporting capability to allow identification of safety issues, in addition to replaying of events. All events are logged internally and can be accessed locally or remotely through Vantage, PBE's system-wide control and monitoring solution. PBE PASS can become an integral part of your periodic assessment and safety plan by offering detailed insight for potential operation improvements. Compatible with all of PBE's products, Vantage is a complete operational support software allowing managers to control, monitor, and track in real time their personnel, vehicles, and other assets. Through this unique software, managers can also remotely configure equipment, create reports, study vehicle productivity, and much more. PBE PASS for all your industrial applications. To learn more about our proximity alert and collision avoidance system, go to our website at pbegrp.com.